Hubert Centers here. Let's take a look at a futures spec sheet cheat sheet. So do you know how to trade the different instruments? So in other words, do you have a cheat sheet? Do you know the specs of the things that you are trading? And if you trade more than one market, obviously it can get confusing. So I use a cheat sheet for just about everything, either a cheat sheet or a checklist. So here's what I'm talking about. For on the Dow Mini, you can see I've got at YM up here. That means the Globex, and then I've got YMH12, YMH12, YMM12, YMU12, and YMZ12. So all this means is this gives me the month. This gives me March, June, Sep, and Dec. Now here's the important thing. A minimum move on the Dow is going to be worth $5, and a minimum move is 1 tick. Now if you go down here to the ES, you can see a minimum move would be a quarter point increment, 25 cents, and a minimum point is going to be worth $50. So you can see that a tick, so if it goes from, let's say on the S&P it goes from 1430.75, and then if it goes to 1430, well, that's a bad example. Let's go down here. Let's go down. Let's go 1430.50. In other words, that thing would have moved 1 tick, and then you would have a profit of $12.50 per contract. Now, every contract's different. As you can see, I'm not going to take the digital ink off, and I'm going to scroll down here. You can see, look, $10 a tick, $10 a tick. So it looks like everything's $10 a tick. Yes and no. You can see the Russell, $100 a point, gold, $100 a point, gold or crude, $1,000 a point. So what you want to do is you want to look up all your futures and make sure you know exactly what you're doing, because if you get on the right or the wrong side of things, it's obviously going to hurt. This also gives you the start time and all the other good information that you need. So remember, when you're trading multiple futures contracts and symbols in different markets, you need to know exactly what you're trading, what's the minimum tick value, how much that tick value is worth, how much is in a point. You also really want to know the personality of that market. Is it going to be a trending market? Like on the indexes, they're counter trend. Run, stop, and reverse. Gold tends to do this. Bonds tend to do this. And then crude oil tends to do this. It'll go and then up. So just know the personality of everything that you're trading. Good luck. Hope it helps. I'll see you in the next video.